Options contract, a tackle trading glossary video. Options contracts, by definition, represent an agreement between a buyer and a seller. This agreement gives the buyer the right to buy or sell a particular asset at a specified date at an agreed upon price. Now, whether you have the right to buy it or sell it will depend on which type of contract that you purchased. If you buy a call option, you have the right to buy. And if you purchase a put option, you have the right to sell the underlying asset. On the other hand, this agreement gives the seller of the contract the obligation to buy or sell a particular asset at a specified date at an agreed upon price. Essentially, if you buy options, you hold the rights to the contract, and if you sell options, you carry the obligation to the contract. Option contracts can be traded on stocks, ETFs, and futures contracts. These are also called underlying securities. When you go into an option chain, the first thing that you need to learn how to read is what the date of the contract is. On the left, you'll notice where it says like December 21, 2018. That contract, when that screenshot was taken, was when it would expire, 116 days out until expiration. It will give you the volatility projection of the contract, and the plus or minus sign on the very far right in parentheses generally indicates how far that contract is expected to move up or down based on the volatility projection. Call contracts and put contracts are generally going to be listed in the left and right side of the option chain respectfully. The call side will be on the left side and the put side will be on the right side on most option chains in most brokerage accounts. So when you go in and you're looking for your particular options, that's where you should look. The days until expiration will be listed in the middle, expiration dates down the left, implied volatility down the right. Thank you for joining us. Learn, trade, connect, succeed. Visit us at bit.ly/jointacklepro for a 15-day free trial from Tackle Trading. Come and join our pro community and see what we do in our webinars, in our shows, in everything that we do on a daily basis with our reports. TackleTrading.com.